Okay. So what we discussed yesterday, guys?
We created the universes.
We created 5 universes.
Yeah.
For different clients. First client is the Oracle client, and universe name is Oracle universe. We created. We completed the first step for there. Second client, motors client. We created the motor universe. We completed the first step for them. Also, we completed the first step. For the extreme, we completed the extreme universe first step. Fourth client. Who is the fourth client?
Fashion.
Very good. E-fashion. Fashion warehouse system. We created the fashion universe. Fashion warehouse. On top of that, we created the fashion universe first step. Then finally, island warehouse system. For them also, we created the universe, club universe. There also we completed the first step. Then what is the second step? Second step of universe creation. Tell me the first step first. Then we'll go for the second step. What is the first step? What I need to provide the first step?
The connection name and
so universe creation first step. What I provided?
Universe name and connection.
Name to the universe. Connection to the source system. It may be a database or whatever it may be. That is the first step. Second step,
the tables.
Adding the required tables to the universe structure. How to add? How to add and what tables needs to be added? What tables needs to be added? Based on the report's requirements. Based on the report requirements, whatever the tables are satisfying in the database level, then those tables we need to take. Okay, I will tell for the Oracle client, take 3 tables to create those 5 reports. For the motors client, take 5 tables. For the extreme client, take 3 tables. For the e-fashion client, take 5 tables. For the club client, 3 tables. Oracle client, what tables needs to be added? 3 tables are what? The tables are employee, department, salary. For motor client, 5 tables are country, region, client, sale, and showroom. For the extreme client, 3 tables are customer, orders, orders detail. For the e-fashion client, 5 tables are article underscore lookup, calendar underscore year underscore lookup, shop underscore facts, product underscore promotion underscore facts, outlet underscore lookup. Totally 5 tables. For the club client, the tables are country, region, result. Okay. These are the 5 clients and 5 required clients required tables from database system. First with Oracle. Universe Designer. Authentication is required. So we logged into the Universe Designer tool. File menu, create new one. I'm giving the name as a Vandana. So name is required. Choose the connection as a Oracle one. Okay. Name is required, connection is required. Click on OK. Save the image. So that is the first step. Successfully saved. Second step, adding the required tables. For Oracle, how many tables we need to add? Rajni?
Three tables.
3 tables. How to add? Insert.
Insert tables.
This is called a table browser window. Is going to show to you all the available tables in the database. They may contain thousands of the tables, but we don't bother. We need to add the required tables based on the report needs. How many tables I need to add? 3 tables. Use the control button. You can select more than 1 table. Insert. Then the tables are okay. So those are the tables. If you want to increase the view, you can increase the view. The tables, this is the structure panel. Right hand side, the structure panel, we are taking the required tables from the database system. Okay, these are the required tables. If I want to move around the tables, you can, around the structure, you can move wherever you want. Wherever you want, simply select the table header. Around that structure, wherever you want, you can place. If you want to move the tables. And if you want to arrange the tables automatically, view, arrange tables option. Then the tables will be aligned automatically. I want to hide the columns. See that? I'm just double clicking the table name. Automatically the columns are hidden. If you want to show them again, you can double click twice. Double click twice. Then the columns are appearing automatically. From here also, I can see the data which is available on the database level. How can I see the data which is available on the database level? Right click, table values. See the data? This is the data available on the database level. So from here also I can get the data which is available on the database level. Right click, that is table values. No, a particular column I want to see. How can I see the particular column values? Right click on department number. There is an option called column values. Click on that. Then automatically all the column values will be appear. Distinct values if you want to see. Can anybody tell why the 10 is repeated, 20 is repeated and 30 is repeated? In the employee table, it is a basic table in the database. The department number values are like that. 10, 20, 30. Those values only repeated.
So there are multiple employees in the same department.
They're very good. There are multiple employees in the same department number. So that's the reason each employee will have the one department number. That is the reason those values are repeated. If I want to see only unique records, check the box, distinct values. How many records are there? Distinct values, Rajni? Vandana?
Three.
Only 3, 10, 20 and 30.
Yeah.
So this is the way how we can add the required tables to the universe structure panel. Right hand side structure panel. That is the second step of universe creation. That is for the Oracle client. For Motor client, I'm creating the first step to the Vandana motors. I'm drop downing the connection. I'm using the any motors. Okay, first step completed. For this universe, second step. What is the second step of this universe? How many tables we need to add, Rajni?
5 tables.
5 tables.
Yeah.
How to add tables? Insert menu,
Insert
tables
tables.
option. Structure panel, tables option. Table browser window. All the available tables in the database is going to show to you. How many tables are required? Country,
5. Country, region. Region.
client,
Right.
sale, showroom. Those are the required tables. You want to increase the view? 150%. Country, region, client, sale, and showroom. See the client table? It is showing the last dotted, 3 dotted symbols. That means still some columns are
Still some
available for
columns
this
are
client. You need to expand that. Automatically the complete columns will be appear. So from here, if I want to see the data which is available on the database level, select the table header, click on the table values, right click. Then this is the data available for the country table in the database. Region table data. Single column values. How many country IDs are there? 5 distinct
5
countries ID.
districts.
Okay. That is the second step for the motor universe. What is the third universe?
Extreme.
3 tables.
What is the third? Extreme. Use the connection. Microsoft. Okay, extreme connection is not created. File is on the desktop level. How to create a ODBC?
Right. Control panel.
Control panel, administrative tools,
Edit.
data source, add, driver is required, name is required. When this name will be valid, you need to map to that file. How to map? Select option. Now this name is mapped to the extreme file. So ODBC is created. That ODBC will not appear here. These are all the BO connections.
Yeah.
How to create new BO connection? New option. Extreme source. What is the driver? It's a Microsoft MS Access. We created, what is the name? Vandana Extreme. Name is created, connection is placed. Click on OK, save it. That is the first step. For the extreme, how many tables?
3.
Customer, orders,
In order.
orders detail. Insert them. Close the button. Okay. Successfully, we added 3 tables. Save the universe. Then, fourth client. Who is the fourth client? eFashion.
Okay.
Create new one. Vandana e-fashion. Drop down the connection box. E-fashion. Save the universe. Take the tables. How many tables? Article, calendar.
Shop exclamation.
Increase the view. Okay, this is the second step for the e-fashion. Close it. Finally, club. Vandana Island. Use the connection as a club. Save it. Required tables. Country. Region. Resort. Save the universe. So totally 5 universes are created. And we add the required tables. That is the second step of universe. Then the third step of universe creation. What is the third step of universe creation?
Create the joins.
Making the joins. Why do we need join? Is it mandatory? Let's check. Testing purpose or creating the reports in our local desktop. We can use the desktop intelligence we can use, or query panel simply we can use. Testing of your universe. Tools menu. See the option called desktop intelligence. If you click on that, then we can create a report. This is the report creation way. Begin from where? Universe. Which universe? First, Vandana motor, Vandana article. This is the Vandana article. Before creating the report, first open your universe. Whatever you have placed right hand side structure panel, slowly drag and drop them to left hand side. Automatically the class and objects will create. Table is going to convert as class. Columns are going to convert as objects. Automatic creation of the left hand side panel. Then only you can create a report. While creating the report, you can see only left hand side. Let's see. Save it. Close the universe. Open the desktop intelligence. Or you can come from the start menu also. You have the desktop intelligence. This is the report creation way. Begin. Next, from which universe you want to create a report. Let's take the Vandana article. Finish. This is called a query panel.
Yeah.
This is just for testing purpose, how the universe is useful for report creation. Okay. I am creating the report as a department number and department name. By double click, automatically those objects will be appear on the right hand side. Run the report. Automatically report will create it. Give the report name as a department report. Report has created. One report created successfully. Close the report. Create the second report. Same universe? Yes. What is the universe? Vandana article.
Oracle.
Now this time employee information. I am creating the report for the employee report. Run the report. Report created successfully from the class and objects. So what I need? Class and objects only. So successfully I create a second report also. My third report. Next, which universe? Same universe. I want to create a report from the same universe. Now this time I am combining the department information, the department class information, those are the objects.
And
The employee class information, these are the objects. Now I combined the two classes information, I combine and run the report. What is the error? Why it is giving the error? Because we didn't create the joins. That is the need of the join concept. If you are creating the report which are coming from single table information, no need of the join. If I am combining my report creation which are coming from more than one table information, must and should have the joins. That is the need of the third step. If you are creating the report from single table of information, not a problem. I can create a report. But if you are combining the report creation from more than one table, it is giving the error as a Cartesian product. What is this Cartesian product? Automatically lot of duplicate rows which is not correct data that will be appear, which is not correct data. Lot of duplicate rows will be appear. This is not the correct data. That is the reason, the basic fundamental concept, whenever you want to take the information from more than one table, must and should have the join. That is the need of your third step. Why do we need join? To avoid the Cartesian product. What is the Cartesian product? Lot of duplicate rows. So to avoid these duplicate rows, we are creating the joins. So how many types of joins the BO going to support? What is a join? And how many types of joins? 4 types of joins. What is a join? Join is a relation between the tables. Relation between the tables.
Come in, Anna. You
So
can
how many types of joins? 4 types of joins. Inner join, outer join, theta join, self-restricting join. Inner join, outer join, theta join, self-restricting join. How to create inner join? Using the common column between the tables and equal to operator. Example, I have the employee table, I have the department table. The fields are employee number, employee name, job, salary, department number. Whereas in department table, department number, department name, then location. What is the common column between the employee table and department table?
Follow.
Department number. So how I can create a join, inner join? Nothing but employee dot department number equal to department dot department number. This is called inner join. Using the common column, we created the join between the two tables. Common column and equal to operator. Then what is the output if you maintain the inner join? Here if I have 10, 20, 30, if I department table has 10, 20, 30 and 40, what is the output? We'll get only matched records.
Okay.
What are the matched records between the two tables?
Thank you.
10, 20 and 30. Will not get the unmatched data. whenever you made the inner join. How to create? Here everything is graphical. We are not writing any sequels. Everything is the graphical here. How to create a join? Your third step of universe creation. Insert, join creation. Left hand side is one table. Right hand side is the another table. What is the common column? Department number left hand side. Right hand side department number. Click on OK. This is called a inner join. Save the universe. So the reporting application is already open, but we went to the universe designer and we have done some modifications to my universe. If you want to reflect those changes in the reporting application level, that is desktop level, tools, universes, refresh. Then the universe changes will be reflected here also. Now create a report. What is the universe which I want to create? Vandana Arikim. Now try to combine the two classes information. Run the report. Now you will get the data without giving any errors. Because we created the join. This is the employee department report. Okay. Clear? Any doubts? That is the inner join.
Very clear.
I will give 3 specs to you. I prepared 3 specs. So you have to create 3 inverses: club, e-fashion and motors. Okay. First let me open the club. For the club, how to create universe? Use the club connection. Create a new universe. How many tables are required? 3 tables. What join? Inner join between country and region. Region to resort, inner join. So totally universe level, need to take 3 tables and 2 joins. That is the work you have to do in the universe level for the club connection. After completion of that, use the desktop intelligence, then try to create 5 reports. The report requirements I mentioned here. First report should be country ID, country name. Second report, third report, fourth report, fifth report. Totally 5 reports you have to create from the club connection. Second one, e-fashion. Connection name is e-fashion. How many tables are required? Here you can observe the required tables. Totally 5 tables and 4 inner joins. All are inner joins only. That is the work you have to do in the universe level. After completion of universe, you need to create 7 reports. What are the requirements? Here I mentioned the requirements. How many reports you need to create? Third one, motor. Motors connection. If you don't need any ModiVC connection, you have to create from scratch. Then you have to use that motor connection. That is the first step. Second step, how many tables? 5 tables and 4 inner joins. All are inner joins only. That is the work you have to do in the universe level. After completion of the universe, then how many reports should be created? 9 reports using the desktop intelligence. That is the 9 reports you have to create. The bottom I mentioned the reports requirements. Totally 3 notepads. From those 3 notepads you need to create 3 inverses, 21 reports. First one is 5, second one is 7, this one is 9. Totally 21 reports should be created. If you have the software in your system, it is okay. If you don't have the software, I will give my server IP address.